Get teams on the same page, stay organized, and work better from wherever with Team Chat. Use direct chat to quickly connect and collaborate with a single coworker. Or use public and private channels to organize conversations on specific projects or topics. Public channels are open to anyone in your organization to search and join, like off-topic conversations, a place to host company announcements, or an internal support channel. Private channels are by invitation only and are meant for groups to discuss specific topics only appropriate to the members of that group. Easily share files for feedback and access any files that have been shared in chat. Format your messages to emphasize important points in your conversations. Reply to specific messages within a chat. Quickly search chat history for specific topics or links. Grab an individual's attention in any channel, and more. All chat conversations sync across devices, so you can take your work with you wherever you go.